Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable all trip-related push notifications on Booking.com account. So first we're going to go to the Booking.com app. Then once you guys are here, going to click on the profile section on the top right corner of the app. Then here, we're going to scroll downwards. Then under preferences, there's communication preferences. You're going to click on it. Then next, we're going to click on push notifications. So once you scroll downwards under trip-related push notifications, there's all trip-related push notifications. So we're going to turn it on. So here it's going to turn all trip-related push notifications. So that's the importance of this setting. As I told you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful booking app. We also have different videos on our How Tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.